Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming identity and account details. This speeds everything up. Bring a government ID and your Landbank account number, and make sure your contact info is current. Once done, call or visit the branch to request the SWIFT code retrieval process. Ask for the exact format used for international transfers. Make sure to note business hours and any document copies you must sign, because missing paperwork is the usual delay. You now request the SWIFT code explicitly. Say SWIFT or BIC and specify the branch if needed. If at a branch, obtain a printed confirmation. If online, log into Landbank link or e-banking and search e-statements or secure messages where SWIFT may be listed. Once you have the code, verify any correspondent bank instructions. Some transfers require an intermediary bank, and write down the exact characters. A single missing letter will cause rejection. You finish by double-checking every transfer field: SWIFT, beneficiary name, account number, and currency. Once the sending bank processes the payment, get a receipt and the transaction reference. Use it to track the MT-103 payment confirmation. If funds are delayed or routed incorrectly, contact the Landbank branch or support immediately and provide the reference. This is the fastest path to correction. One troubleshooting tip: if the SWIFT is rejected, confirm that.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.